Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Ferrari 250 California short wheelbase model from the 80s movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off. This model is made by Hotwheels Elite in the 180 scale and is limited to 5,000 pieces worldwide. The prices on this model is around 200 euros on eBay, and it's only rising because Hotwheels Elite lost the license to reproduce Ferrari models a few years ago. Sadly, the Hot Wheels models suffer from two big issues, one being the paint rush and the other one being the glue that dries out and the elements fall off, like the windshield and the headlights, and they are very hard to put back on. My model makes no exception. I have some paint rush on the hood. Now if you can see it, and also I have some paint rush on the trunk as well, but hasn't evolved over the years. Now let's talk about the model. We have in the front some nice chrome elements. We have the bumper, the grille, also around the headlights and around the windshield. Also the wipers are very nicely done, as all Hot Wheels Elite models, and the side mirrors look very good. The headlights and the fog lights are very nicely done, no rivets to see. The grille on this intake it's also perforated. Sadly, the Ferrari logo, it's just a sticker and not photo etched. On the side we have the grille that looks very nice, and the wheels also we have functional direction, but no suspension on this model. In the back we have a lot of chrome elements as well, the bumper, the exhaust, also around the stop lights. The Ferrari logo is photo etched, which is a good thing. In the interior, first of all, no dog-leg hinges at the doors, which is a very nice touch. The interior is very good. We have this steering wheel that mimics the wood, and also the gauges look very nice with chrome elements around them. We have carpeted interior with a very fine carpet. Also some details around here. And the engine compartment, I think, is the best aspect of this model. Let me see if I can open it for you. There we go. As I said earlier, we have this perforated grille. Also a lot of details on the engine. We have a lot of painted elements that stand out and have markings on them, the brand or instructions, which is a very big bonus. Sadly, in the trunk I have a small issue with the carpet. If you can see it, it's a bit worn here. Also we have the spare wheel, and which has a rubber strap to keep it in place. And underneath the model we have the brand, but we have also a few details. I like the exhaust and the differential in the back. Sadly, as I mentioned, no suspension. I have to say I'm a fan of Hotwheels Elite and the work they've done, and I was very sad to hear that are not making any models, because they made an exceptional job. Hope you like this video, and tell me in the comments if you like the model and if you wish that Hot Wheels Elite would make Ferrari models again.